I even need to say what this is? I don't think so. 1963, black on black, convertible Corvette. It's a C2. It's got the pop-up headlamps. It's got a 327 with 340 horse. It's a 4-speed. Look at the interior. Look at the steering wheel. Look at the chrome. Oh man, this is a beautiful car. This is iconic. This is Chevy at its absolute best. It's got the round taillights, dual exhaust, Stingray. Man, Jake, this is one of the most beautiful cars ever. Everybody knows it. It's got the knockoffs. That doesn't mean knockoff wheels, it means these are the knockoffs. You use a little rubber hammer and rubber mallet, and away we go. Let's open the door, shall we? Oh, wow. It is gorgeous. In case you want to take up smoking, Jake, there's an ashtray. I know, Jake, I say it every time. I don't know what else to say. I think we just need to drive it. I'm too excited. Hi, how are you? Here we go for a drive. How you doing, Mr. Bean? You're gonna be called Mr. Beans.
It drives nice.
Oh, it does. Oh, there we go. 340 horse. That's what I love about it. Oh, you weren't kidding. Ah, the beautiful, beautiful cold air. Oh, it really does drive nice.
It drives great.
It really does. And I love the gauges. There's a lot of gauges in here.
The gauges are cool.
Oh, we do have enough gas. Good deal.
I put gas in it.
Thank you for that.
And the clock works.
That's the best part.
FM radio, AM radio. Absolutely.
She's got options. Oh, wow.
And it works.
That's Fleetwood Mac, for the love of Mike. Look at the lines of this. Look at the lines. Ah, it's beautiful. Ah, the nice breeze. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's really nice.
Well, even I can feel that.
And I'm loving it.
Mike probably doesn't like it, but...
Yeah. Oh, the mic. That's probably a good idea. Here, we'll do that. We'll kick some air in here.
It's a smooth driving car, isn't it?
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
And a working clock. What more can you ask for?
I don't know if you can ask for anything better in a 1963 Corvette.
In here, we have some books.
Got some originals. Got some books. You gotta love the books. I'm sitting here at the light. Gosh, it's got beans. It's got beans for days. Armstrong steering, non-power brakes. Wow, she's got beans. Wow, she's nice. And it's just so beautiful. It really is a gorgeous car.
Can we get a good old-fashioned startup?
A good old-fashioned startup.
Yeah.
To avoid all the water after it rains, Jake, in a black car. Anyway, you got to drive it back.
You gotta put the top down first.
Thank goodness. Let us do that, shall we? Oh, I see.
So now that's up.
And so then this goes up.
And you have a latch under here.
That goes
Now
up.
that's up.
Nice.
There's actually a lot of space when the top is up.
It
for
is.
things and stuff.
Really nice. Things and stuff.
In there.
And then that closes.
Bob's your uncle. It's pretty
Bob's your uncle. That is.
nice.
Let's
You
not
can
go
keep
too
the
far.
camera.
I'm keeping it.